In this video, I'm going to show you 10 amenities that genuinely boost bookings, improve reviews, and in many cases, let you charge even more per night. These are things we've rolled out across our portfolio, tested at scale, and kept because they work. So let's get into it. Number 1, games room or entertainment area. This is one of the highest impact amenities you can add to your property, especially for families, groups of friends, contractors, and longer stays. And a games area turns your property from just a place to sleep into an experience. And that's the key difference. We've had great results from things like pool tables, air hockey, arcade machines, retro consoles like Nintendo or Sega, board games and poker sets as well. And this doesn't need to be a full games room that requires a massive investment. Even dedicating just one corner of the living space to entertainment can dramatically change how your listing feels to guests before they book the property. What we've seen is that properties with even basic entertainment features can see up to 20% increase in occupancy. Not because guests need it, but because it gives them a reason to choose you over the listing next door. And it also massively improves reviews because the guests remember the experience, not just the bed that they slept on. Number 2, dedicated work desk or office space. Remote work isn't a trend, it's permanent. More guests are traveling while working than ever before, and they actively filter for listings that mention that they've got a workspace. But here's the mistake that most hosts make. They think that a dining table counts as a workspace. Well, in Airbnb's perspective, it doesn't. A proper workspace means that they need a real desk, a comfortable chair, good lighting, easy access to plug sockets, and clear Wi-Fi instructions. If possible, even a spare charging cable. This one change attracts longer bookings, fewer cancellations, and noticeably better reviews. Digital nomads and business travelers are some of the best guests that you can have in your Airbnb. They respect the space, they communicate well, and they often book longer as well. Number 3, and that's a coffee machine. Coffee matters more than most hosts realize. It's one of the first things that guests interact with when they arrive, and the first impressions matter. We typically provide an espresso or espresso coffee machine, a small selection of pods or sachets, sugar, sweeteners, and plant-based milk where possible, and also decent mugs, not just mismatched ones that you've got years ago or from B&M. This costs very little to implement, but guests mention it consistently in reviews, and they will filter for listings that have coffee. And that social proof compounds. Future guests read these reviews and feel reassured that the place is well thought out and premium. Number 4, a hot tub or jacuzzi. This is one of the most powerful upgrades you can make when it's done properly. Now, a hot tub instantly turns a standard property into a destination that people really look forward to staying in, especially for couples and weekend stays or countryside or leisure locations. But it's not passive income. You need proper cleaning between every single stay to ensure that you're compliant. You need balanced chemicals, you need clear instructions and clear rules when it comes to using the amenity. And that said, when managed properly, a hot tub can justify an extra £50 to £100 per night in many markets. It often becomes a reason that the booking actually happens. Don't just add one unless you're prepared to manage it properly. And 5 is high-speed Wi-Fi. And now this should be an obvious one, but it's still one of the biggest sources of complaints that we see. Wi-Fi is an absolute non-negotiable for guests. We always aim for fibre internet where possible, at least 100 megabytes per second, and the speed clearly stated in the listing. A screenshot of the speed test in the photos, printed and on our digital guidebooks. Because bad Wi-Fi kills reviews. Good Wi-Fi, it is invisible, which is exactly what you want. And number 6, outdoor seating, patio or a barbecue. Even small outdoor spaces adds disproportionate value to your property. Guests love the idea of a morning coffee outside or evening drinks. It feels a bit like a lifestyle upgrade. So this is what we focus on when it comes to outdoor areas. Comfortable seating, not just cheap plastic, soft lighting or fairy lights, a barbecue or fire pit where allowed, cushions and throws. This works incredibly well in summer months and especially powerful for longer stays. You're not just selling a place to sleep, you're selling how it feels to stay there. It's the guest experience you must have in mind at all times. And number 7 is a smart TV with streaming. A basic TV isn't simply enough anymore. A smart TV with streaming is expected from every guest that stays in your property. Every single property that we have at Volve Stays has Netflix or Prime available, or clear instructions to log in to their own accounts. a sensible screen size, simple remotes, and ideally universal ones. Guests wind down at night. Making that easy improves reviews more than people realise, because small friction points add up when it comes to reviews. And number 8 is a fully stocked kitchen. Now, this is one of the most underestimated amenities, because many hosts technically provide a kitchen, but not one people actually want to use or can use. Now at Evolve Stays, we make sure all of our kitchens have sharp knives, full pots and pans, chopping boards, baking trays, can openers, cooking oil, salt and pepper, tea and sugar. This reduces guest messages, improves your reviews, and is essential for families with children and longer term stays. A good kitchen turns a short stay into a much longer one. And number 9 is a washer and dryer. Now, this is absolutely essential if you want to get longer term stays in your properties. You've got families, you've got international guests, and you've got business travelers. It encourages longer bookings and reduces wear and tear from guests improvising on laundry solutions. Just make sure instructions are clear and detergent is provided so they can use them properly. And number 10 is self-check-in. This is an absolute game changer for guests and operations. We use smart locks or keypads or lock boxes on all of our properties now. Guests can literally arrive at our properties at any time. There's no coordination, there's barely any lost keys, and there's no late night handovers that our team has to deal with. Just make sure that your instructions are crystal clear, tested on a regular basis, and you've got a backup plan such as a spare lockbox, because self-check-in improves reviews massively and reduces your admin as you scale your business. Now, none of these amenities are revolutionary, but together they completely change how your listing performs. Remember, Airbnb ranks on amenities, and you don't need to spend a fortune. You just need to think like an operator that has the guest experience in mind. We've rolled out most of these across our 100+ unit portfolio, and they've helped us improve occupancy, improve reviews, charge more per night, and scale more sustainably as a business. Now, if you found these tips useful, make sure to subscribe, and if you want more breakdowns like this, we've got a free private community where we have weekly live calls and discuss what's working today. The link is in the description. And if you're serious about growing your short-term rental business, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you in the next one.